Oh, look, Dad. Honk it. Honk it. What? Does not want to. The heck is that noise? Okay. This guy is revving up the scent. Got one. We got, I think we actually, yeah, we got one. Red car? Do you want to do it? Yep. No. Please. No. 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 Come on. Come on, people. Honk. Yeah, I got like 2. We need to get 3. We need to get more. Come on. More. Nope. You. Yeah, we got him. Yeah. What about you? What about you? We're getting more people to honk. A truck. You? No. Well, they were literally looking at me. What about you? What about you? No. What about you? Yeah, no. Nope. I'm trying to take my dog for a walk. Getting these cars to beep, beep, beep. Oh, that guy's turning. Oh, we can get this old car to do it. Oh. No. You? No. Looks like less people are doing it. You too. No, not you. Do it. She didn't look. What about this Kia Soul? No, not the Kia Soul. What about the, I think this is a Volvo? They're just too busy having a conversation. They're just having a conversation. Oh my God, look at all these cars. All right, let's go. Wish. Now we're on our way back. Not people from behind us, because you know, people aren't looking. Yep. Got him. Guilty. No. Boy. You over here. Having a conversation in the middle of the road. Whoa, look at this car. I think this is a Mercedes GLS Maybach. This is a Mercedes GLS Maybach. The car that does the bouncing thing. All right. This is fun. This is fun. No. What about you? No. Just talking about the people not honking. Ooh, this BMW might do it. He's got a smart little car. Oh. No. Honk. Oh God. Look, big truck. Wow. He didn't honk. 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 Dad, this is all he did. This is what he did. Wait, is that a semi-truck? Honk the horn. What's wrong with this car? Look at that! He gave us a lot of honks. Daddy, did you see the problem with this car? Oh, a truck. Sounded like the truck kind of farted. No. Dad. Honk. Oh my God. No. Come on. Do it. I know most of the Jeeps did it. That Jeep didn't. What is this? Oh, a Nissan. No! Oh. Far. Honk. Honk. Come on. Come on. Do it. Come on. How are you doing? Oh yeah. This nice senior. Oh, look at this nice senior. But that's not the point. Bro. Oh, a Jeep. Let's do this Jeep. Okay. Like the rest of these people don't understand me. Yeah, see? They don't understand. A truck. Me. Yeah! Oh my God. Ah. Yeah. What about you? What about you? Yeah. And you? And you? And you? No. What about you? And the Equinox. Oh, a delivery driver. What about you? And you? Whew. Jeez, this is fun. Come on. Do it. Do it, Lexus. Oh, yeah. No. No. You. Yes, 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 you. No, not you. You. No, not you. What about you? What about the Jeep? What? Yeah. What about you, truck? Yeah. No. Somebody else coming. Honk. Honk. No. You? How about you? No. No. I want them to honk. They will not even honk. No. They won't even honk. Try to be happy. No. That's fine. Come on. I wasn't expecting this many cars to not honk. I'm coming. I'm fine. Oh yeah. There's plenty of cars. You? No. Unfortunately not. But anyways. Guys, I'm just keeping the video running. See if we have any cars coming this way. No, it doesn't really look like there's any cars coming this way. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you guys in the next video.